Uptown Swing. Level
3.
Jamming. We were jamming. Hannah was with us tonight. We had a lovely time. We did 2 things. First, the rhythm like this. The rock, step, hop down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, step, hop down. Bam. We put that into a tuck turn. Like so. Rock, step, hop down. Wham. That was our big finish on the first thing. Then we also did a swing out into a twist around. Check it. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
We talked about twisting from the ribs, keeping the feet close together, little kickball change.
Leaders, you're going to start your Suzy Q on 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. It's really just rock, step, rock, step, rock, step. That's the footwork. Watch her twist, watch me do the footwork, and then we can swing out right after. So we got, hey, here's a 1 and 2. Here's 3, and we finish the phrase with the thing. And step, 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 step. I get back, it's swinging on out. You guys built your own phrases. It was awesome. We rocked it. Come in.